My name is Andrea Lamelas. I'm the CEO of Spectral. I'm originally from Spain, been in the Netherlands for 13 years, and I'm responsible, among other things, from people operations here, which includes HR recruitment and, of course, the benefits and perks. We have a set of benefits and perks that we wanted to make a little bit better, right? And of course, at the beginning of a company, you cannot afford a lot of these things, right? So one of the things that we wanted to look into was some pension plans. So we started actually looking at the traditional pension providers. We were looking for something a little bit different. And so we came across Vive, and I have to say, at the beginning, I couldn't believe it, that there was an option. I've been here for 13 years and I never heard of anything like this. And I think we were very impressed by the two of them, because they're very smart, they're very knowledgeable. Yeah, I think the main difference between Vive and the other traditional pension providers, for me, the main one is the flexibility that you are giving to your employees to decide what they want to do with their future. The second one is also, for us, the personal approach, the knowledge that we got from them, the hand-holding during this process for a company that is as young as us. And of course, third and not least, it is a very different approach than the traditional, that is less expensive with way of a bigger impact, because people are more aware of what they are doing. They have visibility of what's happening to the money that they are investing. With Vive, you actually have a dashboard where you can know, right, what's going to happen. So you can tweak it, go for more, go for less, whatever you want to do. So the main challenge that we had, it was that we wanted to find something that resonated a bit more with our people. With Vive, you actually have a dashboard where you can know, right, what's going to happen. So you can tweak it, go for more, go for less, whatever you want to do. So I think that's the biggest impact for us. How to make sure that you're going to have a nice life when you retire, right? And for us, it was also very important that we're working now, we're all here, it's all good, right? But it's very comforting for me and for the management team to know that, you know, people are also taking care of themselves, right, for when it's later, right? And I think financial education is very important, and I'm very happy with that. At the Spectral, since we started talking about implementing the retirement plan with Vive, what I feel and what I see is that the conversations about this topic has grown in the companies. And I also think that they're inspiring each other, because I know that they are sharing like strategies, and I'm doing this, I'm doing that. They can share the dashboards and look, you know, so it's kind of like, yeah, it sparked conversations, which I think is very important. So you hear it in the coffee, or even I get a lot of questions, right, for them. So it's kind of like you're also educating your employees on financial education about what to do when you are older, right? How to make sure that you're going to have a nice life when you retire, right? If I could go back, I would have done it from the beginning, right? It's way less complex than you think. It's not as expensive as you think for a company. You know, I think when you have a benefit and perks set of things that you give to your employees, you have, some of them are going to work for some people, some of them are going to work for other people. Vive is something that you can easily get incorporated to your portfolio without getting into too many costs, too many complexities. And not everybody's going to go for it, but you are going to have something for some people in your company